We are pleased to show you the 2019 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, Sirius XM radio, heated front driver and passenger seats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.